audiologist and speech language pathologist at Anand Hearing Aid Private Limited. Today I'm going to speak about the Bluetooth connectivity in Phonak hearing aid. Latest technology hearing aids in Phonak has a Bluetooth connectivity which enables hands-free calling and wireless streaming, improves the sound quality. So I'm just going to demonstrate how it has to be paired with your phone. Whether it is Android or iPhone, it pairs in the same way. The MyPhonak is the application. You can go to your Play Store or App Store and just type MyPhonak. Go to the app, accept these conditions and then proceed. You will find a screen where you can see an option called pair device. So for that, first you need to restart your hearing aid. So on top of the hearing aid, there is a button. Hold and press the down button for few seconds. It will blink red. Again, if you press, it will turn green. We have restarted the device. Now pair. Now it is searching for the device. The left one got detected. You have to wait until both gets detected. Then click on the arrow. Accept the pair request. It will guide you to the home screen. So now it is connected and it is showing the battery. So you can check battery using this and you can do minor adjustment. By clicking here, you can do separately. With this application, we can even do remote fine tuning. So here, if you go to the support option, you scroll down, you will get an option start a session. It's a very useful feature in this application. It will give you an option called start remote support. So at the same time, you have to take an appointment from your hearing care professional. Just give access to your microphone. Finally, we are starting a remote session. This is how Phonak application works. Pairing is very simple. You just need to restart the device and then pair. It will detect. That's it. So this you can use for checking your battery and doing minor adjustments. Thank you.